Welcome to Bedwell's Kitchen. In this video, we show you how to make some really delicious garlic bread. Starting with 500 grams of strong white bread flour, add 10 grams of salt and 10 grams of instant yeast to the other side. Take 30 grams of unsalted butter that's been softened and around about 300 ml of cool water. And mix through. This should start to form a rough dough. Add some more water as you go. Keep mixing and you should pretty much be able to clean the inside of the bowl with the dough. Put the dough onto a floured worktop. And start to knead the dough for around about 5 to 10 minutes. It should form a smooth skin. Add some more flour to the worktop if necessary. The dough really starts to come together. Knead the dough by pushing it away from you, folding it over and going through it again. The dough ball is now ready. Put it into a lightly oiled mixing bowl. I've used a clean bowl here. And cover it with some cling film. Leave it to rise for at least an hour. In this video, I left it to rise for an hour and a half. Now for the garlic, take 3 bulbs of garlic and break them up into cloves. Then peel each clove of garlic. Add it to a roasting tin. Add some salt, a little olive oil, I use 1 tablespoon of olive oil here, plus a little bit extra, just in case. And 1 teaspoon of caster sugar. Put the garlic into the oven at 200 degrees for around about 20 minutes. Once the garlic is finished, the dough will have risen. Add the garlic to the dough. And mix the garlic into the dough mixture. Put some more flour onto the worktop. Give it a quick knead, but not too much. Once mixed through, separate the dough ball into 2. I've used a dough cutter here. Form each half of the dough into a rough rectangle. This forms the loaf. Put each loaf onto a lined baking sheet. Leave these to the side for 1 hour so they can double in size. Once they've risen, sprinkle on some olive oil and some herbs. Put them in the oven for 25 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. And there we go. Delicious garlic bread. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.